welcome to another Unbiased Fire Alarm Reviews. Episode 3. Today I'll be reviewing these two TrueAlerts. They are sync only, so this one's free run. These two do the exact opposite, however. So let's put the user-friendly TrueAlert to the side, and first we're going to take a look at this one. This is a model number 40. This is a first generation TrueAlert, as you can see by the grill. Which are dubbed Quick Alerts, but it's still a TrueAlert because the TrueAlert series was originally named Quick Alert, but had to change it due to trademark issues. This particular model is a 4903-9417. It is a fixed candela TrueAlert, no longer in production because the multi-candela replacement is the 4906-9127. It has a 15 candela strobe, since it is part of the 4903 series. So these two are both synchronized, are both designed to be operated as a smart sync device. So particularly with this one, this is, once you apply power to it, since they are smart sync, they are less user friendly than this device. So that actually, which means that the smart sync nature of these devices handicap your ability to use these devices. So unless you have the SCM, or you could even bypass the smart sync protocol with just a conventional NAC on any panel, but I'll get into that later. So how the sync works, particularly for the horn strobes, when you apply power to it, the horn will not sound, but the strobe charges up and it won't flash once until you cut power from it, and then it flashes once. Again, great way to synchronize all the strobes in a public setting. That's how a typical smart sync TrueAlert would work, but for this 4906, this is a 4906-9131 TrueAlert. It's a weatherproof TrueAlert, and however, despite it being smart sync, I call it super smart sync for a reason. Because even if you have the SCM, it's not an easy device to operate. When the horn is either coded but the strobe won't flash, or when you get the strobe to flash, the horn will sound, but it can't be coded. It will code itself. So as you can see, smart sync TrueAlerts are 2-wire. So they don't have 2 extra terminals, which both run the horn and the strobe together. However, a pair of batteries or a 24-volt DC power supply will not run these units properly unless you have the Simplex 4905-9938 sync control module. So that's how they work. And this one is a 4906 one, since it is multi-candela. Your options are 1530, 1560, 75, and weatherproof 75. Despite it saying FACP, that is not an option on this device. I did not I found out there's no holes for the that allows you to control the candela, which is what the FACP stands for, from the fire alarm control panel. So for this one, I'm going to give it a 87 out of 100%, while this one I'm going to give a 75 out of 100, because it does the worst variation of what this can do. And since they run on a synchronized protocol, I am not going to give it a 100 out of 100. That's on the user. I'm not going to give it the righteous score, which is 100 out of 100 on the user friendliness category. That's why I gave this one a 87. I think is what I gave it, and that's why I'm going to give it a 78 on this device. So thank you because of the handicaps. This one, like I said, has more handicaps, like I've stated so many times. So they're not very user-friendly devices. So thank you for watching.